Welcome to Future Wheels. Ferrari has just taken the roof off one of its most elegant Grand Tours, and the result is absolutely stunning. Meet the all-new Ferrari Amalfi Spider, a drop-top machine that combines open-air luxury with a brutal 631 horsepower twin-turbo V8. And somehow, despite losing the roof, it barely sacrifices any performance at all. This is Ferrari's newest front-engine 2+2 convertible, replacing the Roma Spider while continuing the brand's tradition of stylish, everyday supercars. But this one feels sharper, more advanced, and even more dramatic.
At first glance, the Amalfi Spider looks breathtaking. Ferrari kept the sleek proportions of the coupe while adding a beautifully integrated soft-top roof that gives the car an even more exotic personality. Unlike older Ferrari convertibles that used folding hardtops, the Amalfi Spider sticks with a fabric roof design, and honestly, it suits the car perfectly. The roof can open or close in just 13.5 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 37 miles per hour. Ferrari says the 5-layer roof structure was engineered to deliver excellent insulation and refinement, so even with the top up, the cabin remains quiet and comfortable. The body itself is smooth, clean, and incredibly sculpted. From the aggressive shark nose front end to the muscular rear haunches, the Amalfi Spider blends elegance with unmistakable Ferrari aggression. At the back, Ferrari added an active rear wing with 3 aerodynamic settings. In its most aggressive mode, it can generate up to 243 pounds of downforce at 155 miles per hour. And with the roof down, this thing simply looks spectacular.
Now let's talk about the heart of the Amalfi Spider. Power comes from Ferrari's award-winning 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing an incredible 631 horsepower and 561 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission derived from the SF90 Stradale. Despite adding extra reinforcement and roof hardware, the Spider only gains around 190 pounds compared to the coupe. And amazingly, it still hits 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. Top speed? A blistering 199 miles per hour. Ferrari also packed the Amalfi Spider with its latest driving technology, including brake-by-wire, adaptive dampers, and the newest side-slip control system designed to maximize handling precision and stability. This isn't just a luxury cruiser with the roof removed, it's still a true Ferrari underneath.
Inside, the Amalfi Spider mixes high-tech design with classic Italian elegance. The cabin features a large digital instrument cluster, a central infotainment display, and even a separate passenger screen. Ferrari also brought back physical steering wheel buttons after criticism of its touch-sensitive controls in previous models. The center console uses a floating aluminum bridge design, while the dashboard wraps around the driver and passenger like a cockpit. And because this is a convertible designed for real driving enjoyment, Ferrari integrated a clever wind deflector behind the rear seats to reduce turbulence when driving with the roof down. Even luggage space remains surprisingly usable for a Ferrari convertible. The new Ferrari Amalfi Spider proves that Ferrari still knows how to build a beautiful Grand Touring convertible in a world obsessed with SUVs and electrification. It's fast, elegant, emotional, and powerful. Exactly what a modern Ferrari Spider should be. So, what do you think about the new Amalfi Spider? Would you take this over the Ferrari Roma Spider or even some modern supercars? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future automotive content right here on Future Wheels.